This is a Dualtron City. I've had it for about a month, and it's been for sale this whole time. It's about half the price of what it was paid for. I was helping a friend with money, so I bought it from him, but I don't need it because, you know, I already have the G-Booster, and I also have this scooter for sale. So I wasn't planning to keep it, but now that I see that nobody wants to buy it, just asking about it, I'm thinking about keeping it, and I'm thinking about making it a little more special. So that's what we are doing now. And the first thing I'm thinking to do is to change the whole setup for the battery cover here, so that my legs can be more relaxed while riding this scooter. Now, in order to do that, I need to find some cardboard so that I can make a sketch. This is all I could find, and now we need to glue them together and make a bigger piece. Alright, one box seems to be enough, more than enough. It's long enough and it's wider than it should. Now, I need to get all these charging ports out of here, so that I can mold all these holes on the new sketch, like this. I don't know if you can see. I need to put it here and make a drawing out of it. As you can see, this is 26 centimeters wide. I want to make it 30 so that it's more comfortable. So I'll make some adjustments on this drawing. Alright, now it is 30 and 30.5. 30 centimeters, it's okay. Alright, so this is good here, and the length maybe like this, but with some spikes here so that I can rest my foot here. So I need to draw some things. I think that this is the final form. I like it like this. Now let's make it out of aluminium. So this is actually an aluminum sandwich. It's aluminum here, and in the middle it's some kind of plastic that makes the whole thing very light. Almost weighs nothing. And look at how many things I got out of the Dualtron City. These parts combined are very heavy, and in my opinion it's just a poor design. It's just some kind of Lego, and I don't like this. This is some part that was separating the battery from the controllers. I'm gonna leave the controller here, at least at the moment. I'm planning to take it out, but I just wanna ride the scooter on the cold weather, and then we'll see how it goes. Now this plate is perfect. I just need to drill the holes for the screws. I'm only going to use 9 holes. This one, these ones, and let me check again which one is deeper. And these 2 ones. Okay, let's see what I did here, and it's a perfect match. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. It's a perfect match. Now let's make this plate a little more prettier, especially here. Alright, it's looking nice. This is the bottom side. We're not gonna see that. We're gonna see this side. So let's make it pretty with this self-adhesive, like this. Okay, this is looking perfect. Now, before installing it, I need to add at least 1 charging port back on the scooter. In order to do that, I've removed this LED that was for the floor. It was saying Dualtron City, but it's broken. So I removed that, and I can add the charging port in the hole that was already made. I can do that on the other side too, but I'm just using 1 charging port for now. Now the charging port is here, and only I know that, and maybe you. Now before I install this plate, I want to check out how much it weighs and how much weight we removed from the scooter by removing all the Lego parts. So let's weight this one first, like this. Okay, let's turn this on. It says 0, right? Let's say 800 grams. And now all the parts that I removed are So it's 1 kilogram heavier than what I made. That being said, we lost 1 kilogram. Alright, what do you think about it? I think it looks great. It looks much better than before and will certainly increase the comfort. Now, the next thing I want to address is the Dualtron and the Mini Motors logo on this scooter. If we were to count it, I did it, and it says Dualtron and Mini Motors about 25 times, including on the parts that I removed from the scooter. So you can see here the Dualtron City logo, it's on both sides, so it's 2. It's also on the arms, again 2 on the rear. It says also here, it says also here, and also on the other side. It even says Mini Motors on the button and on the throttle and on the stem and everywhere, even on the front fender. So this scooter is not made by NASA, it's made by a company that makes electric scooters and is not going to outer space, it's going to Lidl. So I don't understand why would you put so many logos on it. It's not like it's the only scooter that you made, but never mind, I'm gonna deal with that next. Until then, I hope you like this plate I made, and you can subscribe to my channel and check my other projects.